In this Paracourse lesson, we want to make this parametric seat, and we can control that with a series of points. We're going to define these points to define the curve of the seat. As you can see, I can change this number of equally spaced perpendicular frames on a curve, so we're going to give that to the curve and increase the number of counts. And we want to make these parts on this plane minus x divided by 2 to x divided by 2. That's going to give us the complete width. To move them like t divided by 2 and then extrude them exactly as the t. Another thing is to decrease the extrusion here, and another part is to play with the points. So also the curvature of this is going to help us to avoid intersections. And then we have to just find a difference. So I'm going to go to the intersection and select this solid difference. Solid difference between the first part and the second part. We need to intersect that with the plane, and it's going to give us the curve we wanted.